What's up, y'all? Welcome back to New Era TV. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video. It helps push us into the algorithm. Turn on your notifications and share the video. If you want to donate to the channel, the Cash App will be pinned in the comments. Let's get into this. Karen Reed was found not guilty of murder charges on Wednesday, June 18, 2025. That was the most serious charge she faced in the trial that had the nation divided. And what I mean by divided, 90% wanted her free and 10% thought she was guilty.
Will the deliberating jurors remain standing? Defendant remains standing. All other parties may be seated.
Your Honor, may the record reflect that 12 deliberating jurors and 6 alternates are present.
Yes.
May I inquire?
Yes.
Mr. Foreman, members of the jury, have you agreed upon a verdict? Yes. Thank you. May I see the papers? Mr. Foreman, have the verdicts been placed in this envelope and have they been in your presence ever since? Yes. Mr. Foreman, on docket number 2282CR117001, murder in the second degree, what say you? Is the defendant at the bar guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
So say you, Mr. Foreman? So say you? No. Do you agree?
Yes.
Do all of you agree?
Yes.
Thank you. 002, what say you? Is the defendant at the bar not guilty or guilty?
Not guilty.
Of.
Is not guilty or guilty of that charge or any lesser included charge? Thank you. Specifically, number 5, operating under the influence of liquor by operating a motor vehicle with a blood alcohol level of 0.08 or greater. Correct?
Yes.
So say you, Mr. Foreman?
Guilty.
So say you all?
Yes.
003, what say you? Is the defendant at the bar leaving the scene after accident resulting in death? Is the defendant not guilty or guilty?
Not guilty.
So say you, Mr. Foreman?
Yes.
So say you all? Jurors, hearken your verdict as the court records that you, upon your oath, say the defendant on 001 is not guilty, on 002 is guilty of operating under the influence of liquor, and 003 not guilty. Thank you.
All right, jurors, everybody please be seated. Jurors, we thank you for your service. We're going to send you back. Your service is complete. I'd like to come back and talk to you for a little bit afterwards. So thank you very much.
All rise. Jurors, follow me. Media, please exit the courtroom immediately.
Karen Reed?
Not
yet.
Tony,
Hold
not yet.
on,
Not
everyone.
yet.
Karen Reed. Ms. Reed, can I have your attention? As required by statute, I must inform you that the records regarding the charges that you have been found not guilty will be sealed by the Commissioner of Probation by the court unless you notify the Commissioner of Probation in writing within 10 days that you do not want these records sealed. To request that these records not be sealed, you may use the Request Not to Seal form, which is posted on the trial court's website on mass.gov. I cannot accept the form here in court. You must submit it to the Commissioner of Probation at the address provided on the form. Please be aware that if the records regarding the charges which you have been found not guilty are sealed, you will be unable to access the sealed record of the not guilty dispositions or any other records regarding those charges. If you want copies of any documents regarding those charges before the records are sealed, you should request copies from the court within 10 days. Do you understand? Thank you.
All right, so we need a date for sentencing. Can we do it next week?
We would be prepared to go forward today.
Okay. Okay.
There she is walking out. I do want to pop up the audio here and listen in to see if she does speak.
just want to say two things. Number one is I could not be standing here without these amazing supporters who have supported me and my team financially, more importantly, emotionally, for almost 4 years. And the second thing I want to say is no one has fought harder for justice for John O'Keefe than I have and my team. Thank you.
So you want to see it reopened? Karen, you want to see the case reopened? Should the case be reopened? No, the case cannot be reopened. Alan, this case is over. No, I mean, the case is larger for someone else. What did you say? What did it say about justice? I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it to Karen and her dad. Her dad has a comment. Let her dad make a comment. Mr. O'Keefe, what did you say about justice? Mr. Reed, I want to acknowledge the strength of our daughter Karen, the support of the entire Reed extended family. I want to acknowledge the greatest team of attorneys. Our first one that we found was David Yannetti. We added Alan Jackson and Liza Little. Bob Alessi, you know about. All right? It was a fantastic team, but we needed them all to defeat this. We thank everybody for their support from the heart. We love you all of the content providers who help spread the word. Thank you so much. God bless you all. The investigation. Let's do this.
Karen just dodged the most serious charges in the death of her boyfriend, Boston cop John O'Keefe, but her legal battles are far from over. In the second trial tied to O'Keefe's 2022 death, the jury found Reed not guilty of second-degree murder and not guilty of leaving the scene of a crash that caused death, but she was convicted of driving under the influence. Now that the criminal part's done, she still got a civil case hanging over her head. O'Keefe's family isn't letting go. Back in August, his brother Paul O'Keefe and the estate filed a wrongful death lawsuit in Plymouth Superior Court, not just against Reed, but also two Canton bars, C.F. McCarthy's and the Waterfall, that the couple reportedly hit before the incident. They're coming for at least $50,000 in damages, claiming Reed's actions robbed them of John's presence, support, and guidance. The suit also accuses Reed of pushing a false narrative and calls her behavior extreme and outrageous. Reed's legal team tried to pause the civil case while the criminal one played out, arguing it could mess with her Fifth Amendment rights. The judge agreed, kind of. He froze her part of the case, but let other parts of the lawsuit keep moving. Now that the criminal verdict is in, expect the civil case to pick up and speed real fast. Y'all jump in the comments and let me know how y'all feel. Was the jury correct in not finding Karen Reed not guilty of murking John O'Keefe? Was there other players involved that could have done this? Was it just a whole bunch of people who was drunk and nobody really know what happened? Y'all let me know what y'all think. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so now. Like the video. It helps push us into the algorithm. Turn your notifications on and share the video. If you wish to donate to the channel, the Cash App is pinned in the comments. Peace. See y'all on the next one.